When times are tough, people may look to gold as a safe haven investment. But as with all investments, there is an element of risk. In the case of gold, experts say investors should only buy from an authorized bank, gold dealer or retailer. It's also important to have safeguards in place to weed out fakes and to check on authenticity. But even if it is the real thing, gold investors could still become victims of scammers. Over the past decade, these have included gold buyback schemes from companies like Geneva Gold, the Gold Guarantee, and Swiss International. So how can investors spot these scams? Firstly, if a scheme promises a high monthly or yearly interest or dividend on gold, it should ring alarm bells, because gold doesn't pay interest. While markups are a red flag, discounts should also be viewed with suspicion. Some schemes lured investors with discounts. When the contract is due, they can sell the gold back to the company at the full 100% price.
For example, now the gold price is at 1,950. They say that you can purchase it at maybe a 5% discount right now. In most markets, we usually pay a premium over the spot price.
And then there are schemes that give a payout and promise to buy back the gold at the original price, regardless of how gold prices have fluctuated since then. In other words, investors get back their principal amount invested, plus earn returns at the same time.
For example, now you buy at 2,000 US dollars. Say in the coming month or coming year, if they go plunge to about 1,006, so there's a loss of 400 US dollars. So if they're going to buy back at 2,000 US dollars, then my question is that then who is going to bear the losses?
Scammers have evolved and become even more creative. But it isn't just gold, the precious metal, that's been making headlines. The price spikes have also put the shares of gold mining companies in the spotlight. But market watchers say these shares can turn out to be very risky investments. Investors are, however, drawing comfort from Warren Buffett, whose Berkshire Hathaway bought a stake worth about $564 million in gold and copper miner Barrick Gold. Mr. Buffett has been a long-time critic of gold, so this change in investment direction is sending strong signals to the market.